Hi students, friends, good afternoon to all. I welcome you all in this fluid mechanics lecture. So in last lecture, we have derived the equation for how to find the total pressure and center of pressure for inclined plane surface submerged in the liquid, right? So here we have derived this equation, this condition for the inclined plane surface total pressure, and we obtain the equation for the total pressure as P is equal to gamma A H bar, right, where this gamma is nothing but it is the weight density of the liquid in which that object is submerged. Okay, the liquid chi weight density. Then what is A? This capital A is nothing but it is the total area of the that inclined plane surface on which that total pressure is acting. So that is capital A. And what is H bar? H bar is nothing but it is the center of gravity. It is the distance of center of gravity from the free liquid surface, right? So this part we have derived, and we found that this equation and the equation for the total pressure acting on the plane surface, horizontal plane surface submerged in the liquid, it is same. Then we derived the equation for the finding center of pressure, and we got here the equation like this: H star is equal to Iz into sine square theta divided by A H bar plus H bar. So this equation we derived there, we got, and here we can say this equation as the general equation which can be used for finding the H star for the horizontal surface as well as for the inclined surface as well as the vertical surface. Okay, horizontal surface च्या case मध्ये what is going to happen? Suppose this is the water surface level, and with respect to this water surface level, we take this angle theta, right? So here, if you see this horizontal surface and this water surface, both are parallel to each other. So the angle made by this line, this surface with this water surface, it is equal to 0. And when we put the 0 here, so we know that the value of sine 0 is nothing but it is equal to 0. So it will become complete, it will become 0. So for the horizontal surface submerged in the liquid, the value of H star will be equal to the H bar. Okay. So H star will be equal to H bar for the horizontal plane surface submerged in the liquid. Because in horizontal plane surface, we can understand this thing, this relation like this also. On the horizontal surface, the total pressure acting on this horizontal surface and its position, it will be on this plane only, on this horizontal plane, as well as the center of pressure, that CG, it is also on the same line or same plane here. Okay, so the distance of CZ from the surface as well as the distance of CP, that is center of pressure, from the surface, both will be same. Okay, so therefore H star is equal to H bar. We can we get here in case of the horizontal surface. Now, what about the vertical surface? In case of vertical surface, the angle made by the vertical plane surface with the water surface, it will be 90 degree. Okay, what will be the angle here? It will be 90 degree. And when we put this angle theta equal to 90 degree in this equation, what we will get here? The value of sine 90, it is equal to 1. Okay, so instead of writing this sine square theta, I can write here 1, or it is not necessary to write it 1 here. And you will get the equation H star is equal to Iz upon A H bar plus H bar. So this is the equation that we got in case of vertical plane surface. So that we have derived in earlier lectures. Okay, so we'll see it. Here you can see this is the equation that we have derived for the vertical plane surface submerged in the liquid. This is the equation P is equal to gamma H bar for the total, finding the total pressure, and this is the equation H star is equal to Ij upon AH bar plus H bar. This equation is for the finding the center of pressure, right? So you can say that this equation number 7, it is a general equation, general form of equation that can be applied for these three conditions: horizontal, vertical, and inclined. Okay. In equation 7, Iz is nothing but it is the moment of inertia of inclined surface about here. What is this Iz? This Iz is nothing but it is the moment of inertia of inclined surface about an axis passing through the Z, that is CZ, and parallel to the 0-0 axis or OO axis. So that diagram we have seen there. So this is the inclined surface there, and here we drawn this O axis, right, or 0-0 axis here perpendicular to this, and this is the arbitrary shape of that inclined plane surface. So this Iz is nothing but it is the moment of inertia about this axis. Okay, you can say this is the x-axis, about this x axis. Okay, and which is parallel to the this 0-0 axis. Okay, so this thing should be kept in mind. In case of vertical plane surface, here we have used the parallel axis theorem to convert this I0 in terms of Iz. What was what was I0? It was the moment of inertia about this free liquid surface. Okay, and what is Iz? Iz is nothing but it is the moment of inertia about the axis which is parallel to the free liquid surface, but which passes through the center of gravity of the object. Okay, so we can say this axis. So this is nothing but it is Iz in this case. So this axis is parallel to this horizontal plane surface. Okay, this thing we should keep in mind. Now, next third condition for the derivation of total pressure is horizontal plane surface submerged in the liquid. Okay, so you can see here in the diagram horizontal plane surface. Now, when the surface is horizontal, now tell me what will be the position of CZ and CP, whether it will be same position or it will be different. As the surface is horizontal, say, see, suppose this is the plane surface. Okay, when it is vertical, in that case, when the surface is vertical, in that case, the CP will be somewhere and the position of CZ, it will be somewhere else. Okay, both will be different. Okay, but when the surface is horizontal, now the value of CP, that distance of CP and CZ from the free liquid surface, it will be same, because now plane, whatever this plane is there, from the front view, if you look at it, you will observe a horizontal line, right? So the position or location of CZ and CP, it will be same. The distance of CZ and CP, it will be same from the free liquid surface. So what is the distance of CP from the free liquid surface? What notation we use here? That is H star to find out the position of CP. And for the CZ, we use the H bar. H bar is nothing but it is the distance of CZ from the free liquid surface. Now, as both this point CZ and CP both are on the same line or same plane, horizontal plane. So therefore, here we can write H star is equal to H bar. Okay. In this case, horizontal plane surface, here we can write this H star is equal to H bar, means the distance of CP as well as CZ are same from the free liquid surface. And what about the total pressure force? What about the total pressure P, capital P? Here again, if you look at the pressure intensity, now in case of horizontal surface, so because of some this box is here, you may not be able to see it clearly. Yeah, now it is visible. See, this is the actually horizontal surface. In top view, you will look like this. This object will look like this, but from the front view, if you look at it, it will be look like this horizontal line, right? And this is the free liquid surface here. Now, what is the formula of total pressure? Capital P is equal to, it is nothing but It is the pressure intensity multiplied by what? Multiplied by area, because pressure intensity is nothing but it is pressure force per unit area, right? It is the force per unit area. So if I want find out this pressure force, then if I take this A on this LHS, then I will get this pressure force is equal to pressure intensity multiplied by area. Now again here, instead of writing this pressure intensity, what I can write here? I can write here gamma H. Okay, and this A will be as it is. So I will get here the same equation. So this H or H bar or H star, all these things are same. So I can write also H bar here. So I can write here capital P, that is total pressure will be equal to gamma A H bar. So here also you are getting the same equation as we have got the equation for the vertical plane surface as well as inclined plane surface, right? So in all these three cases, the equation for finding the total pressure will be same. That is P is equal to gamma A H bar. Are you getting my point? Is there any doubt about this? So write on the title, draw this diagram, and write on the formula for finding the total pressure force, and this CP S star is equal to H bar. Okay, and then we will see the next point, how to solve here the problem based upon this. Okay, so do it fast. Write on the title, horizontal plane surface submerged in the liquid. Draw the diagram, and then write on the formulas for the total pressure. Write on the title there, total pressure, and then below that write on the formula. Next, write on the title, center of pressure, and write on the formula. Do it fast. Now here we are going to solve the problem based upon this total pressure and center of pressure for the vertical, horizontal, and inclined plane surface submerged in the liquid. Okay, so before moving ahead, before solving the problem, we should know some prerequisite, some basic about the moment of inertia and center of gravity and the area of some standard regular geometrical figures. Okay, until and unless we know don't know these figures, we cannot solve this problem based upon this. Okay, so this is the prerequisite. Already we have studied, you have studied this in the engineering mechanics subject, applied mechanics subject there in CG and MI unit. Okay, and you might be using these things in the subject structure of mechanics. Okay, so please note down this table in your notebook. Write down the title there, CG, MI, and other geometric properties of some important plane surfaces or plane figures. These are the standard geometrical figures like rectangle, triangle, circle, trapezium. And in problems also, we will have, there will be such kinds of figures or the combination of them. It will be there. So write on the title, prepare the table of 4 columns. First column, plane surface. Second column, CG from the base. In third column, area. In fourth column, moment of inertia about an axis passing through the CG, that is nothing but IG. Okay, we denote that axis which passes through the CG of the body by notation IG. Okay, and which is parallel to the base. So first geometric figure is the rectangle. Draw the rectangle. Draw the 2 axes passing through the rectangle. The width of the rectangle is denoted by letter B. Length of the rectangle is denoted by B, and width is denoted by letter D. Okay. X is the distance of CZ from the base, small x. So now where will be the CZ located from the base for the rectangle figure? The CZ of the rectangle figure from the base, it will be located at a distance of D by 2. So therefore, we can write there in second column, x is equal to D by 2. The area of rectangle is nothing but it is the length into width. We can write here B into D. Next, moment of inertia Iz is equal to, means moment about which axis? So I will show it on the diagram here. About this axis. Do not get confused. Let us say it is the x axis. About this axis, what is the moment of inertia? That is Iz. So here, for the rectangular figure, Iz will be equal to B into D cube. What is B? B is the parallel side of the rectangle, parallel to this axis. B cube, B into D cube. It is the perpendicular side to this axis. It's a cube. BD cube divided by 12. Okay. When you want to find out what is the moment of inertia about this vertical axis, at that time, this formula will change. This formula will become then D into B cube by 12. Am I right? Yes, someone.
Yes, sir.
So note it down, BD cube by 12. Next figure is the triangle. Draw the diagram for the triangle. Show the center of gravity Z, which is located at x distance from the base. Base pasun x distance वरती आहे. The height of the rectangle is represented by letter small h. Base of or the width of the rectangle, or we can call it as a base. Base of the rectangle is denoted by letter small b. Now here, what is the location of CZ from the base? The centroid of the triangle, we know that centroid of the triangle is at 1/3 from the base. So centroid is nothing but it is the CZ of this figure. So x will be is equal to h by 3. And how much from the top? Yes, कोण सांगेल? The position of centroid or the CZ of the triangle from the top, how much it is? It is 1/3 from the base. Yes, no one is able to say, tell this. Is it that much difficult?
2h by 3.
Correct. So it is the 2/3, we can say. 2/3 of the total height. हा जर एवढा पोर्शन 1/3 असेल तर राहिलेला पोर्शन किती असेल मग? It will be 2/3. So if we add this 2/3 plus 1/3 into h, म्हणजे हा 1/3 आणि हा 2/3 जर आपण ऍड केला तर काय भेटेल आपल्याला? इथे बेस सेम आहे, h वरची न्यूमरेटरची ऍडिशन होईल. It will become 3 by 3. It will get cancelled and you will get h only. Okay, so that is the total height. Next, what is the area of rectangle, this triangle? It is base into height, half into base into height. So 1/2 into base into height. This is the formula for the area of the triangle. That is known to you. Next comes the moment of inertia, Iz value. Which Iz? The axis passing through this Z and parallel to the liquid surface. So about this axis, this formula is there. As will be equal to B, parallel side B, h cube divided by 36. So Iz is equal to BH cube by 36. Next geometrical figure, circle. Now, what will be the position of the center of gravity from the base? If d is the depth, total diameter of the circle, then this CG will be located at the center of circle, which is at a distance of d by 2. So therefore, here we can write x is equal to d by 2. Okay. Then what is the area of circle? It is pi by 4 into d square or pi r square. Next comes Iz is equal to moment of inertia about the axis parallel to the liquid surface, means about this axis. What is the value of I is the moment of inertia? It is equal to pi by 64 into d raised to 4. Pi by 64 into d raised to 4. Next geometrical figure, trapezium. This is width, bottom width B. This is A, it is the top width. And this is the height or depth of the rectangle. Area of rectangle, before that, write down the formula for finding the position of CZ from the base. X will be equal to, in the numerator, 2a plus b divided by a plus b into h by 3. Now tell me the area of rectangle. It is nothing but, it is area of trapezium. It is nothing but, it is the average of two widths. Average of this a and b. I can write here a plus b divided by 2. Okay. This is the average length multiplied by height, that is h. So a plus b by 2 into h is the area of trapezium. Are you getting my point? How this formula has come or derived? So a is nothing but it is the top width, b is nothing but it is the bottom width. And here we are finding the average of both, that is by doing this one. A plus b divided by 2 is nothing but it is the average of both widths, top width and bottom width, multiplied by the distance between these two parallel sides. Next, moment of inertia about the axis parallel to the liquid surface, means about this axis. It is equal to a square plus 4ab plus b square divided by 36a plus b, bracket complete, and here it is b cube. B cube. Or it is a h cube, not b cube. It is h cube. Is it over? Do it first. So note, we have to note it down because while solving problem, you will require this. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to solve the problem. So now we will solve the problems now. First of all, we will solve the simple problem based upon the vertical surface submerged in the liquid, vertical plane surface. Okay, and then we will try to solve the problems more complex. Here, I will hide these things. Write down the problem. A rectangular plate 4 meter by 3 meter. A rectangular plate 4 meter by 3 meter is immersed vertically in water with 3-meter side parallel with 3-meter side parallel to the free liquid surface, 3-meter side parallel to the free liquid surface, and top of plate and top of the plate 3.5 meter below the free liquid surface, below the free liquid surface. Find the total pressure and center of pressure for this plate. Find the total pressure and center of pressure for this plate. This is the problem given. Diagram is not given here. We have to draw the diagram. Yes. Can anyone draw the diagram here on the screen? Anyone interested? Yes. Read the problem and draw the diagram. Okay, no one is interested in drawing the diagram. I will draw the diagram here. Rectangular plate 4 meter by 3 meter is immersed vertically in the water with the 3 meter side parallel to the free liquid surface. So smaller side is parallel to free liquid surface and top of the plate is 3.5 meter below the free liquid surface. So plate चा जो top आहे तो 3.5 meter हा free liquid surface पासून खाली आहे. And we have to find out what is the total pressure and center of pressure for this plate. Now here, first of all, I will draw a free liquid surface. Let us say this is the free liquid surface. And I will draw a rectangle here as they have mentioned there. What they have mentioned? Smaller side, that is 3 meter side, is parallel to the free liquid surface. So this distance is 3 meter. And this will be 4 meter, right? Again, they have mentioned the liquid surface and top of the plate 3.5 meter below the free liquid surface. Okay, top of the plate means this part. So this is at a distance of 3.5 meter. This much is the only given. Here we have to find out what is P. We have to find out what is H star. Okay, find total pressure and center of pressure for this plate. So first of all, we will try to find what is the total pressure capital P. What is formula to find out the capital P? P is equal to gamma A H bar. Now gamma is known to us, so we can write here gamma is equal to 9810. A is equal to, it is nothing but it is the area of rectangle. It is 4 meter by 3 meter. So it will become 12 meter square is the area. What about H bar? What is H bar?
3.5 meter.
How much?
3.5 meter.
3.5 meter is the H bar. Tell me.
3.5 plus 2.
Okay. Who was that? Answer is 3.5 meters. Salgar, Mansi. Mansi, can you tell me what is H bar? Yes, what is H bar? See, where will its center of gravity of this rectangle? At the intersection of these two, you can say central lines, okay, central axis. Okay, Itasnar, CZ. So the CZ of the portion will be here, V, and so this much portion from this is nothing but it is the half of the total height. So this much will be 4 by 2. It will be 2 meter, right? 2 meter. Now what is H bar? H bar is nothing but it is the position of center of gravity from the free liquid surface. So this position of this we need to find out from the free liquid surface. So what we can write here, what we will get here, this value plus this value, we will get the value of H bar. So H bar will be equal to 3.5 plus 2, it will be equal to 5.5. Has everyone understood this? How we got the H bar? Now here in this problem, put that values, all values. Therefore, capital P is equal to 9810 into area 12 into this value of H bar. How much it is? 5.5. Find out the total pressure. What is the answer?
647460.
6474.
60 Newton.
Into 12 into 5.5. 647460, correct, Newton. So this is the answer for the total pressure. So this much pressure, it is acting on that vertical plane surface, which was at a depth of 3.5 meter from the surface. Okay. Next comes the value of finding H star. What is the formula of H star? Iz upon
AH bar plus H bar.
AH bar plus H bar. Now, out in this equation, we know now this what is H bar. We know the area, but we don't know what is the Iz value. Okay. So first of all, we have to find out this Ig. What is the formula to find out this Iz for the rectangular plane figure? Iz will be equal to B into D cube by
12.
12. So use this equation. Now, what is B here? B will be 3. What is D cube? It is 4 cube divided by 12. Tell me the answer.
$16.
Yes, I have written there 16. Unit Is measured in which unit? Meter raised to 4, because you can see here B will be measured the distance, it will be measured in meter, and C will be measured in meter cube, so it will be meter raised to 4. So let us try to see the answer, correctness of our answer. So here you can see it is the 647460 Newton is the value of total pressure, and H star is equal to 5.747. H star is equal to Ij upon H bar plus H bar. Has everyone understood this problem? How we have solved it? Is there any doubt in understanding this problem? Solve it. Those students who have not yet solved, please complete it. I will wait here for you. Put your answers in the chat box. I will wait here for a minute. So complete it. Only 6 students have solved the problem. Roll number 9, Pranali. Roll number 15, Mayuri. Roll number 13, Sakshi. Roll number 20, Mansi. Roll number 9, Pranali. Then Saidi, Rohini, and Akshay Gahale. Then Sanket, then Yuvraj. Pooja. 5.74, Ashish. Also write the unit. घ्यायचा का पुढचा प्रॉब्लेम? So let us solve this problem. Write on the problem. Rectangular plane surface is 2 meter wide. Rectangular plane surface is 2 meter wide and 3 meter deep. It lies in vertical plane in water. It lies in vertical plane in water. म्हणजेच कसं आहे, हा रेक्टँग्युलर जो प्लेन आहे तो कसा आहे, वर्टिकल आहे. Because it is written that it lies in vertical plane in water. Okay. Determine total pressure and center of pressure on plane surface when its upper edge is horizontal and its upper edge is horizontal and. आता या ठिकाणी दोन केस दिलेले आहेत. First case A, coincide with the water surface. Coincide with the water surface. B, 2.5 meter below the free water surface 2.5 meter below the free water surface.
Coincide with water नंतर काय आहे?
Coincide with water surface. And B आहे 2.5 meter below the free water surface. So first of all, try to draw the diagram. Now here you will have two diagrams for the first case and for the second case. So first of all, I will write here case A. Okay, the rectangular plane surface will be same in both cases, that is 2 meter wide and 3 meter deep. So I will first of all draw here case A. Draw here diagram of the free liquid surface. This is the symbol of free liquid surface. Then here we have to draw the rectangle. How is the rectangle? It is 2 meter wide and 3 meter deep. What is the first condition? Coincide with water surface. म्हणजेच काय? Water surface आणि त्याचा जो अपर एज आहे ते दोन्ही एकाच ह्याच्यावरती आहेत, सरफेस वरती आहेत. ओके, तेव्हा एकाच कंडिशन. Coincide. So the upper edge is horizontal and coincide with the water surface. या रेक्टँगलचा अपर एज हा याला टच करतो पाण्याच्या सरफेसला. This is the first case. Now here, note down the distances here. Write down dimensions. 2 meter. This is 3 meter. Right. What will the position of CZ from the free liquid surface?
1.5.
As it is touching to the surface, so half of the total depth we will take here. It will be 1.5 meter. So we can write here it is equal to h bar. So h bar is equal to 1.5 meter. Area of a rectangle capital A is equal to 2 by 3 is equal to 6 meter square. H bar is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5 meter. Right. Then formula P is equal to, what is the formula? Gamma A H bar. What is gamma here? Which liquid is there? It is water, right? So what is the weight density of water? It is 9810 multiplied by, what is area? It has come 6. What is the H bar? It is 1.5. Solve it and tell me the answer. (9.81 into 16). How much?
88290.
88290. Correct. Newton. This much pressure, it will act on this object. Okay. At which location? Find the center of total pressure and center of pressure. Now here we want to find out center of pressure also here. What is the position of that? What is the point at which this total pressure force is acting? Okay, from the free liquid surface, at which depth it is there? So what is the formula? S star is equal to Ij upon. Tell me fast.
Ij upon h bar plus h
H
bar.
bar plus H bar.
H bar, correct. So what is the Iz here? Iz is equal to BD cube by
Up 12.
12.
BD cube by 12, right? So find out this Iz. B is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 cube by 12 is equal to 2 into 3 cube by 12. How much it has come?
4.5
4.5
Unit.
meter.
Meter raised to 4.
Meter raised to 4.
See here, this will be in meter and this will be in meter cube. So meter cube into meter, it will become meter raised to 4. Now put all these values here. 4.5 divided by area कितने है 6 multiplied by what is h bar 1.5 plus what is h bar 1.5 equal to what is the answer? 4.5 divided by in bracket 6 multiplied by 1.5 bracket complete plus 1.5 is equal to
2
2 meter, correct. So the position of आता हे h bar ची पोझिशन इथे भेटली बरोबर आहे. सो h star ची पोझिशन काय असेल याच्या खाली असेल somewhere here. So this will be the position of CP. Okay, h star. We can draw the diagram here like this. We can show here h star is equal to 2 meter. See here from this figure, this equation, ही जर आपण इक्वेशन पाहिली तर हे h bar आहे बरोबर आहे आणि प्लस h bar मध्ये एवढी व्हॅल्यू ऍड केल्यानंतर आपल्याला h star भेटतं. So here from this equation what we can conclusion we can derive h star will be always below the h bar for the vertical plane surface, even for the inclined plane surface also. The position of center of pressure will be below the center of gravity. Okay, center of gravity हा वरती असेल आणि center of pressure ची position ही खाली असेल. You can see here h bar's value is 1.5 meter. What is the value of h star? It is 2 meter. So it is 0.5 meter more depth is there. Okay, that is position of P. So here you can write h star is equal to 2 meter. Everyone understood this? Next, second case, case B. What is written there? The upper edge is 2.5 meter below the free liquid surface, free water surface. So now here, while drawing the diagram, what we have to do? So I will clear it now. So याच्यामध्ये काय डाऊट आहे कुणाला? क्लिअर करू काय? काय प्रश्न असेल तर विचारा. Is there anyone having any query about this first part? Okay, let us check the answer for this. Yes, 88290 and h star. H star is equal to 2 meter, correct. Now, let us solve this problem for the second case. Draw the free liquid surface. Draw the rectangle. Now here, the upper edge of the rectangle is not at the liquid surface, it is below. So here we can draw the diagram like this. This distance is 2.5 meter. Okay, and what is the depth of tank? This rectangle 3 meter. This is 2 meter. Now tell me, what is the value of h bar?
4 meter.
4.
H bar will be equal to. Now here, half of this total depth, it will be 1.5. This 1.5 plus 2.5 is equal to 4 meter, correct? So it is equal to 4 meter. So now here you can write B is second. H bar is equal to 2.5 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 4 meter. Next, area A is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to 6 meter square, right? Then capital P is equal to gamma A H bar is equal to 9810 into 6 into 4. Tell me the value.
235440.
9810 into 6 into 4. How much it is?
235440.
Correct. Newton. You can convert this in kilonewton also by dividing it by 1000. Or you can write like this also 2.354 into 10 to the power. It is another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Newton. Like this also you can write. So better to write like this also. This only. You will get the more accurate answer there. This was the total pressure. Next, H star. What is the formula? H star is equal to Iz upon AH bar plus H bar. What is the Iz here? Iz is equal to BDQ by 12. What is B? It is 2 into D cube. It is 3 cube divided by 12. How much it is? It will be same as it was in the previous case 1. Yes, tell me. 9 divided
4.5.
by 6, it is
4.0.
4.5 meter raised to 4, right? Now this is the Iz. Put that values here in this equation. 4.5 divided by 6 into H bar. Now here it is 4 plus 4. Calculate it. 4.5
4.21.
plus 4.
21.
4.1875. Is it the value?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
4.1875 meter. So this much depth is there from the free liquid surface. See here, what is the value of H bar? That is the position of center of gravity. It is 4 meter. And what is the position of H star? It is 4.1. Means somewhat below the center of gravity. Center of gravity च्या थोडं खाली हे position असेल. Total pressure force will be acting here at this point. Okay. So this was the second problem. Here you can see the answers. Whatever the answers you are getting, check whether it is right or not. It is H star is equal to second case it was here. H star is equal to 4.1875. At last sentence you can see there. Right. In this way, we have to solve the problem. Now next problem. Now this problem you have to solve. So it will take some understanding from your side. I will give some hint about this. Write on the problem. Now in the previous two problems, the figure was a rectangular figure. Here the diagram is triangular diagram. Triangular figure is there. Okay. Write down an isosceles triangle. An isosceles What is the meaning of isosceles triangle? Yes. Can anyone tell me? Isosceles triangle म्हणजे काय?
Length of side same.
Two sides will have the same length, right? An isosceles triangular plate of 3 meter base and 3 meter height is immersed vertically in water. 3 meter base and 3 meter height is immersed in vertically in water such that its base is at depth of such that its base is at depth of 4.5 meter from the free water surface. Okay. Triangleचा बेस किती अंतरावरती तो आपल्याला दिलेला आहे. The apex of the plate is below the base of the plate. See, this sentence is very important. This sentence give the information about the position of the triangle. The apex of the plate, जे प्लेटचा जो टॉप आहे, apex आहे, it is below the base of the plate. प्लेटच्या बेसच्या खाली आहे. Now how the diagram we can draw here? Triangle ची diagram या ठिकाणी shape नाहीये. So here this is the free liquid surface. Okay. Now base is at the top and apex is at the bottom. Here we can draw the diagram like this. आपल्याला माहिती कुठून भेटली? From this sentence. Apex means this point. This is the apex. This is the base. Okay. The apex of the plate is below the base of the plate. This is the base. Base च्या खाली आहे. ठीक आहे. आणि तो वरती काय म्हटलं होतं त्यांनी? 3 meter base and 3 meter height. So you can draw here the diagram to draw the height. Yes. What is base? It is 3 meter. What is depth? Height? It is 3 meter. The base is at depth of 4.5 meter from the free liquid surface. So this base here, how much depth? 4.5 meter depth from the free liquid surface. Right. So this will be the diagram. Determine the total pressure and center of pressure. Now, the center of pressure will be somewhere on this apex, the central axis. Now tell me, CZ, location of CZ from the base, how much it is?
1/3 of height.
Correct. From the base, it is 1/3 of height. How much is the height? It is 3 meter. So it will be equal to
1 meter.
Yes, we can write here h bar is equal to not h bar. Just write down this value equal to 3 by 3. It will get cancelled. It will become 1 meter. So this position, this depth we got here as a 1 meter, right? हे 1 meter असेल मग हे खालचे किती असेल? It will be 2 meter. So we are not concerned about this height. It is 1 meter. It has come here from the base to the CZ. You can note it, the point at Z. Okay. Now tell me, what is the value of h bar?
5.5 meter.
5.5.
5.5.
4.5 plus 1. H bar is nothing but it is the distance of CZ from the free liquid surface. So this is the 4.5 meter and this much is the 1 meter. So addition of this both you will get here 5.5 meter. What is the area of rectangle? Area of triangle? It is 1/2 into base into height is equal to half into base. It is 3 into height is 3 is equal to how much it is coming?
4.5 meter square.
4.5 meter square. Okay. Can you find out what is the value of P here by using formula? P is equal to gamma A H bar. What is gamma? What is the liquid here? Water. For water, it is 9810 into A. It is coming 4.5 into H bar. It is 5.5. Solve it and tell me the value of P.
242,797.5.
2427 9 7.5 797.5 correct Newton. This is the value of P. Now second part, find out the value of H star. CP. What is the formula? H star is equal to
H
Iz
bar plus
H bar
BH
plus
cube upon
H bar.
36.
Now, what is the formula for Iz of a triangular figure? Now, see here,
P.
we are finding Iz, which is passing through the center of gravity and parallel to this axis. Which axis? This surface. Okay. So this is our x-axis. So the formula will be this base. Okay, B into कशाचा क्यूब करायचा आपल्याला हाईटचा क्यूब BH cube by 36. Is it right? Formula
Yes, sir.
BH cube by 36. So put the values 3 into again 3 raised to 3 divided by 36. How much it is?
2.25. 2.24 m raised to 4.
2.25. We got here Iz value. Now find out what is the value of H star. 2.25 divided by area 4.5 multiplied by what is H bar?
5.5.
Plus 5.5. How much it is coming?
5.59 meter.
5.59. Okay. So let us check the answers. यायला आहे 24 27 97 24 27 97 correct and 5.59 correct. Both answers are correct. So is there any doubt in this problem? Okay. Now let us move ahead. Now this problem is about the circle. Rectangle सोडवला आपण, आता ट्रायंगलचा एक सोडवला, आता सर्कलचा एक प्रॉब्लेम सोडूया आपण. Okay, write down the problem. I will hide this part. Determine total pressure on circular plate. Determine the total pressure on circular plate of diameter 1.5 meter on circular plate of diameter 1.5 meter which is placed vertically in water, which is placed vertically in water in such a way that the center of plate is 3 meter below free surface. 3 meter below free surface. Find the position of CP so it is forgotten to write down there. Find total pressure also. Okay, you can note it down there. Find the position of CP and total pressure. Find the position of CP from the free surface. Okay, and also find total pressure. Now you can draw the diagram. First, draw the diagram correctly, then you can solve it. Now here, from which point you will get an idea whether the surface is vertical, inclined, or horizontal. It will be mentioned in the problem. See there, it is mentioned there that circular plate is placed vertically in water. Okay, so here this is the case of vertical plane surface submerged in the liquid, right? So first of all, draw the liquid surface. Then draw the circle. Now here the diameter of circle is 1.5 meter and the center of the plate is 3.3 meter below the free surface. Center the 3 meter below असेल, then you have to draw the diagram like this. The center of circle is nothing but it's CZ, right? And the distance of CZ from the free liquid surface is nothing but
H bar.
H bar. The center of the plate is 3 meter below the free liquid surface. So here H bar is equal to, you can write 3 meter. H bar is equal to 3 meter. Area of circle 5/4 into d square. 5/4 into what is d? It is 1.5 meter the square. How much area you got?
One 1.7.
1.7 meter square. Liquid is here. What is the liquid? It's water. So gamma value 9810. Gamma A H bar P is equal to 9810 into 1.7 into 3 is equal to net was disconnected. Just put your answers in the chat box. Whatever answers you are getting. Tell me what is the value of P?
5,2,000,5.75 Newton.
5,
2,000,000,
hmm,
5.75
5.
Newton.
Okay. Have you found the H star? H star is equal to H upon H bar plus H bar. What is the formula of Iz for the circle? Yes. Pi by. Yes, who will tell? Moment of inertia for the circle about its central axis. Rule number 3, Siley. Rule number 3. Are you there? Rule number 8, Shweta. झोपले गए पण. Rule number 9, Pranali. ते पण झोपले गए. Rule number 10. Are you there? Roll number 11. See, if you don't respond, I will mark you absent. From the very first number, roll number 1, I am going to take your attendance. Roll number 1. Roll number 2. Absent. Roll number 3. Roll number 1.